Think your outfit is travel ready? Think again. The clothes you wear to the airport could be the very reason you're delayed, searched, or even denied boarding. Every year, thousands of travelers unknowingly trigger TSA suspicion simply because of their clothing choices. From baggy clothes that scream "pat me down" to flashy jewelry that sets off alarms, the wrong wardrobe can instantly put you on the agency's radar. Airports are high security zones where every detail matters. And while you're probably focused on your luggage, tickets, and boarding pass, your outfit can make or break your travel experience. What seems like a harmless hoodie or stylish pair of boots might end up causing extra screenings, awkward pat-downs, or worse, missed flights. In this video from Altitude Hacks, we're revealing the 10 outfits and style choices you should never wear at the airport if you want a smooth, stress-free security experience. Stay with me, because number 7 and number 9 are mistakes almost every traveler makes without realizing it.
Hi, I'm George, here to unlock the secrets you never knew existed. Welcome back to Altitude Hacks.
Chapter 1. Baggy clothes. Comfort with consequences. Loose clothing might feel like the perfect fit for a long-haul flight, but to TSA, it can raise red flags. Oversized hoodies, saggy sweatpants, and bulky layers make it harder for scanners and agents to detect concealed items. And trust me, airport security isn't going to take your word for it. If they can't see what's under there, you're headed for a manual inspection. Why does this happen? Baggy clothes create extra blind spots in scanners. Anything that looks like it could hide prohibited items is suspicious. In fact, travelers wearing oversized coats or multiple layers are often flagged for additional pat-downs. Pro tip: want comfort without looking like a smuggler? Opt for fitted joggers, breathable leggings, or athleisure sets. They're comfortable, practical, and don't scream security risk. Chapter 2. Heavy jewelry. Flash now, delay later. Wearing lots of jewelry might make you look stylish, but at the airport, it's a headache waiting to happen. Big metal chains, chunky rings, layered bracelets, all of these can set off metal detectors and slow you down. And if you think TSA agents will just let it slide, think again. You'll likely need a manual check, which can take several minutes and make you miss your boarding group. Even cultural or religious jewelry can lead to extra questions. TSA is trained to verify anything unusual, so if you're in a rush, that necklace isn't worth the trouble. Smart move. Pack your jewelry in your carry-on bag and put it on after your security. It saves time and keeps your valuables safe. Chapter 3. High heels. Fashion over function? Not here. High heels might complete your outfit, but at the airport, they're a disaster. First, you'll probably have to remove them during screening, which means standing barefoot on a cold floor while juggling your bags. Second, certain heel materials, like metal shanks, can trigger alarms. And think about this. What if there's an emergency evacuation? Running in stilettos isn't just impractical, it's dangerous. Many travelers underestimate the walking distance between gates. Some airports require a 20-minute walk, and heels will leave you limping before you even board. Best choice: slip-on sneakers, loafers, or travel flats. They're TSA-friendly, comfortable, and perfect for quick security checks. Chapter 4. Hats, hoods, and sunglasses. TSA hates mystery. Anything that hides your face can put you under the microscope. Baseball caps, hoodies pulled over your head, or dark sunglasses. All make it harder for security cameras and agents to identify you. In today's world of facial recognition technology, that's a problem. Even if you're just trying to nap in peace, looking like you're concealing your identity raises suspicion. TSA officers are trained to look for unusual behavior, and covering your face unintentionally checks that box. Tip: keep your headwear minimal until you pass security. After that, throw on your shades and hoodie for the flight. Chapter 5. Excessive layers. Looking like a smuggler. We get it. It's cold outside, and airline cabins aren't much better. But wearing multiple coats, vests, and scarves is a bad idea. Excessive layering makes you look bulky, and scanners can't always read what's inside. That means extra screening, manual pat-downs, and delays. Plus, Most airports consider people who layer up as potential smugglers. Wearing 3 jackets might save luggage space, but it'll cost you time and embarrassment at the checkpoint. Hack: wear 1 warm, fitted jacket and stash extra layers in your carry-on. It's faster, easier, and stress-free. Chapter 6. Offensive or political t-shirts, not the place to protest. Yes, free speech is your right, but the airport isn't the best place for it. Shirts with offensive language, aggressive slogans, or politically charged messages can make you a target for complaints. Flight crews also have the right to deny boarding if they believe a passenger could cause tension. It's not about silencing you. It's about safety and avoiding conflicts in a confined space. Bottom line, stick to neutral, travel-friendly outfits. Save bold statements for your Instagram feed, not the security line. Chapter 7. Clothing with excessive metal, embedded trouble. Think metal only means jewelry? Think again. Jeans with rivets, jackets with studs, or shirts with metallic buttons can all set off alarms. Even yoga pants with zipper pockets can confuse scanners. Full body scanners pick up on metallic or dense objects. If you're wearing a jacket covered in zippers, expect a pat-down. This slows you down and annoys everyone behind you. Best bet: go for simple fabrics like cotton, spandex, or polyester blends. The less hardware, the smoother your screening. Chapter 8. Complicated footwear, lace-ups, boots, and beyond. Shoes can make or break your airport experience. Knee-high boots, hiking boots, and lace-up combat shoes might look cool, but they're a nightmare for security. Why? Because TSA almost always asks you to remove your shoes. If it takes you 2 minutes to unlace and another 2 to relace, you're slowing yourself and everyone else down. Plus, boots often have thicker soles that can hide compartments. Another reason for extra checks. Solution: go for slip-ons or zip-ups. They're fast, easy, and practical. Chapter 9. Clothes that set off body scanners, weird fabrics, and hidden pockets. Technology is advancing, and so are clothes. Unfortunately, some fabrics confuse scanners. Reflective elements, metallic threads, or tech wear with built-in compartments often show up as anomalies. And guess what happens next? Manual pat-down. Even padded sports bras or underwear with thick waistbands can raise alerts. If you're wearing something unusual, be ready for extra checks. Tip: when in doubt, keep it simple. Basic travel wear equals fewer headaches. Chapter 10. Revealing or inappropriate clothing. There are still dress codes. Here's a surprise: airlines can deny boarding for passengers dressed inappropriately. While TSA doesn't enforce fashion, airlines do. Clothes that are too revealing, sheer, or offensive can get you turned away. And yes, this has happened to real travelers. So while it might be tempting to wear your vacation outfit early, remember, airports aren't beach clubs. Golden rule: if you wouldn't wear it to a family dinner, don't wear it to the airport. Every single item you wear tells a story. And at the airport, that story could make or break your trip. Whether it's a hoodie that hides your face, boots that take 5 minutes to remove, or a t-shirt that sparks an argument, your outfit matters more than you think. Dressing smart isn't about looking boring. It's about strategy. A simple, functional wardrobe can save you time, stress, and awkward encounters at security. So next time you're packing for a trip, think about these 10 tips. Trust me, it's the difference between breezing through security and getting pulled aside for a 15-minute inspection. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Altitude Hacks, and tap the bell icon so you never miss another insider travel tip. Drop a comment below and tell us, what's the weirdest thing you've seen someone wear at the airport? Safe travels, and see you in the next video.